wrapped and tied down. That one's already done. Get it in there. See how it goes.
Sounds pretty good. It's a little loud, but not as loud as it was before with those 3-inch ones. These are actually 2.5. I thought they were 2.75, but it's not quite as bad as it was. I don't think I'll set off as many car alarms. Let's go for a ride.